So students, today I'm going to teach you standard mathematics Gala paper number 2, okay, and objectives mainly. How to solve objectives is the important part, as I already informed you. Now if you see from section A, the first question, what did it mention? Phi is one of the zeros of the polynomial p of x cube plus 9x square plus 23x plus 15 is given, right? Now we need to just check, is phi is a zero? What you need to do, you have to substitute here phi. Let's check out. Okay, p of phi is written as phi times cube plus 9 phi square plus 23 times phi plus 15. Phi cube we have 125 plus phi square we have 25, so 9 times 25 again plus 23 times 5 plus 15. If you see carefully, if it is zeros of the polynomial, definitely here it should, the complete value should be 0, right? Now here all the terms are given in plus, and here phi is also plus. When we substitute phi here, you are never going to get 0, okay, because there is no symbol of like minus sign, so this is exactly false. So here you no need to solve. Next, question number 2. The equation x square minus 18x plus 81 as repeated zeros. What it mean by repeated zeros is saying that equal roots, okay. For that you have two options, either go and check directly roots, or you can check for second b. D is equals to, do you remember b square minus 4ac? Exactly. So what we have, b minus 18, so what we have, minus 18 square minus 4 times this one is 1 and 81. So what do you have, 8 square we have 64, right? And 1 8 is 8, 8 2 is 16, we have 16 plus 6 2, and 1 square is 1, so we have yes 324, 18 square minus 81 4 times we have what, 4 1s are 4. I think I did a mistake, baby. Here we have 244, right? No. Sorry. So we have 8 4s are 32. So 324 minus 324 we have 0, right? When we have discriminant 0, we say that roots are equal. So yes, repeated roots. So it is true. Got it? Okay, good. Now for question number 3, you see here, the first term of an AP cannot be 0. How, man? First term can be 0 or may not be 0. It is depend on the given AP. So yes, it is absolutely false, because it is not necessary, okay. Now this question number 4, tan 42 by cot 28 you have, right? Observe carefully what I am saying. Remember this, tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta. Here you need to check only one thing, is the sum of 62 plus 28 is 90. Just see, 62 plus 28, what we have, 90, right? When we have this one, means tan and cot relation and angle change we have like this. So you can write this as tan 62 divided by tan 90 minus 28. So definitely this is going to become 62. You have 1, so it is true. The only thing I want to explain you is, when you have this type of question, don't go for complete solution, okay. You just see, is the sum of these two angles is 90? Yes, if it is 90, then do it, okay. Now next, question number 5. Root 2 minus root 3 plus root 2, these ones asked in board exam, is an irrational number. Just check, see, root 3, root 2, root 2. If I interchange this one, you see this one, a minus b, a plus b, we have a square minus b square. So what we have, root 2 square minus root 3 square, we have 2 minus 3 is minus 1, is a rational number, definitely. So it is false. Now in question number 6, the graph of 3x is equals to 2 is a line parallel to the x-axis. Is it true? Just remember my point. If a coordinate lies on x-axis, it is perpendicular to the x-axis and parallel to the y-axis. What I mean? This is our x-axis, right? And this is our y-axis. And if you see this point, we have x is equal to 7 by 3, right? So here 7 by 3, what it mean? This lies on x-axis. If I draw a line like this, what we have? This means this is perpendicular to x-axis, right? And parallel to y-axis. So yes, this is what? The given is, here they gave you parallel to x-axis. It is wrong. So it is false. I think you got my point. Good. Let's see. Next, question number 7. Some observations are arranged in the ascending order. It is already arranged in ascending order. 16, 17, x minus 2, x, 27 and 30. If the median of this observation is 26. Okay. And let's see the observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 observations. It means even number. So the between two numbers are what they are? This one, x minus 2 and x. So how we will write this one? Observe carefully. I am writing x minus 2 plus x by 2 is equals to what we have? 26 as median. So 2 times 26. So we have x plus x, 2x minus 2 is equals to what we have? 52, right? So minus 2 will go that side, become 54. 2 times how much? 27 za. So x is equals to 27. So what we have? 27. Option C. Now we go for next question. In question number 8, see carefully what they are saying. The probability of a leap year having 53 Thursdays is, from the first video, if you see from the first video of basic, I already explained you what relationship between these weeks and the years. Okay, so in a leap year, okay, leap year has how many chances? We have extra 2 days, right? So Thursday can be 2 days. So we have 2 by 7 as your answer. So the probability of receiving a composite number in the experiment of rolling a balanced die is, probability of receiving how many times is told? See, they said die, it means it is going to roll 1 time, right? And it must be composite number. What are composite number? Which has more than 2 factors. Like what we have, 4 and 6 are the 2 numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the numbers sample space on the die. We have 4 and 6 as composite number. So we have 2 out of 6 chances. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 1 by 3 is your answer. 1 out of 3. So what we have? 1 out of 3. Good. 1 over 3. The graphs of the pair of the linear equations 5x plus 6y is equals to 60 and dash are parallel lines. See, if you want a parallel line, definitely what you need to remember is condition from the chapter number 3. What is the condition? A1 by A2 must be is equals to B1 by B2, but should never be equal to C1 by C2. Got it? So 5, 6. So we have this one. So it is not going to become, because 5 by 6 and 6 by 5. No. 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12 and 62s are 120. It is absolutely same. Okay, you cannot take this one also because it is going to become coincident. Now 5 divided by 2, 2.5, 6 divided by 2, 3, 60 by 2 is 30. So it is also not going to become. Now you see this one. If I write 5x equals to minus 6y, this side 5x plus 6y is equals to 0, right? Now comparing with this equation, we have 5 by 5 is equals to 6 by 6 but not equals to 60 by 0. You see? So this is the equation. I think you got my point how to get it easily. Okay, I am explaining complete concept. Question number 11. The length of a line segment is 10 units. They said the length, okay, 10 units is given if the coordinates of one end point are 2, minus 3 and the abscissa Do you remember what is the abscissa? Abscissa is x-axis. Okay, so the other end point is 10 and the other end point is, so what we can write here, you see question number 11, they gave you point 2 minus 3 and another point 10 and y, and the distance they gave you is 10 units, right? And we need to find ordinate. What is ordinate? Y-axis. Yes, y coordinate. So do you remember the formula, standard formula? So what we have, 10 is equals to square root, we have 2 minus 10 whole square plus minus 3 minus y whole square. This square root will go that side, become 100, and 2 minus 10 we have 8 square is what we have, 64. And you see this minus minus, when I take minus common, it will become obviously plus because of this square. So I can write this as 3 square is 9 and 2 3's into y, 6y plus y square. I opened it as a plus b whole square. Okay, so now 64 will go that side and become subtraction, and 9 also will go become and subtraction. So 100 minus 64, what we have? Do you remember? No? Okay, don't worry. 36 and minus 9 is equals to 6y. This is y, okay, plus y square. So how much we have finally? We have what? 27, right? Is equals to 6y plus y square. Now this will go that side and become what? Y square plus 6y minus 27 is equals to 0. So here you need to check whether 9, 6, definitely if you observe carefully, 27 is a factor of what? 9 and 3. And if I will take minus for 3 sign, then only we can accept that this will become plus. So we have x plus 9 and x minus 3. So we have x is equals to minus 9, x is equals to 3. So these are the two options we have. This one or else. Now what I am saying, listen to my word. If you remember this formula directly, you need to check for one value. You check for 9. If it is acceptable, means if you are going to get 10 as distance, you have to take this one. If not, this one will be cancelled out. And if you check this one for 3, there is no other option like 3, right? And if you take on the y coordinate 3 and you go for check like verification, definitely you will get your answer. Now here there is a trick I am going to teach you in question number 12. Listen to me carefully, okay? Now this trick is awesome, right? You know, I already explained you the formula. Median is equals to 2 times mean plus more, and this will become 3, right? 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Remember? Yes. If you don't remember, go and check my first video, okay? Now from Gala basic paper, okay, there I explain all the concepts. Now you see mode minus mean. Here how many medians are there? 3. Here we have 2 means and here we have 1 mode, right? We go and just check is the absolute number are there. If you see mode, here we have mode only 1 time. Here in this equation also we have only 1 time. That is acceptable. Here you see mean is written 2 times, okay? Don't go and check for that. Just see the median is only here 1. But how many we need? 3. So we will write here 3. And this is your answer. Next. Now question number 3. So you see this one. Here what you see? Question number 13, right? So if x is equals to 2, y is equals to 3 is one of the solutions of the equation 4x plus 7y is equals to k, then k is equals to, see, if these two are equation, just substitute the k and here question number 13, that is substitute x and y, okay? So what do you have here? You see this one, see 4 times 2 plus 7 times 3 is equals to k. 4 2s are 8 plus 7 3s are 21 is equals to k, right? Add them, what we have? 29. That's it, very simple, right? Yes. The area of the triangle with the vertices is 3 0 7 0 and 9 2. Now in question number 14, directly we will apply the formula. Do you remember of? I am writing x1 x2 x3, okay? 3 plus 7 plus 9, right? Now what do we have? y2 minus y1. 0 minus x2 is minus 2, and we have x2, like see x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, now see here what we have, x3 minus y3 minus y1, right? Y3 minus y1 we have 2. Now y1 minus y2, 0 minus 0 is 0, so here it is going to become cancel, and 7 2s are 14, and this one will become minus 6. So 14 minus 6 we have what? 8. 8 by 2 we have 4, so our area is 4 units, 4 square units. Now in question number 15, you see question number 15, cos A is written as A by B, then sin square A can be written as, do you remember? Sin square A is equals to 1 minus cos square A from the identities. Yes, absolutely. You see, so 1 minus A by B whole square. So we have 1 minus A square by B square. So what we have, B square will go that side, become B square minus A square by B square is your final answer. Okay, good. So we have B square minus A square by B square. Next. The quadrilateral ABCD circumscribes a circle if AB is equals to 15.2 cm, BC is equals to 12.8 cm, and CD is equals to 6.4 cm. Do you remember when a circle is circumscribed by a quadrilateral, the sum of these opposite sides are equal? Yes, absolutely, I am using that. A, B, C, D. If you see, AB plus DC will become equals to AD plus BC. Okay, this is the question number 8 from chapter number 10, exercise 10.2 NCERT textbook. So you have to use that properly. There you are going to prove, here we are going to apply that. Okay, so what we have, AB 15.2 plus we have BC how much, 12.8, and we have CD how much, 6.4, and we are going to find DA, right? So now you see AD or DA both are same, right? So add this, what we have, 15 plus 6 we have 21.6 is equals to AD plus 12.8 will go that side and become subtract. So AD what we have, 21.6 minus 12.8. So how much, 16 minus 8 we have 8, and 20 minus 12 we have 8. So 8.8 is your answer. Sorry, 8.8. Got it? Now this question number 17 is awesome. Just observe carefully what I am showing you. Okay, you see this is written, let's take this one as x. Let's assume this. Okay, now you see here it is going to become magic. If I take this square root that side, and it will become x square is equals to again 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2, exactly same. What we assume this as x, right? So I can write this as x square is equals to 2 plus x. Wow. Now just see what I am writing, x square minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. Respectively, you want to give a quadratic equation in this way. Now just go for factors. We have what, 2 ones are 2, and minus 2 plus 1 we have minus 1. So what we have, x minus 2 and x plus 1 is equals to 0. So how you can write, x minus 2 is equals to 0 or x plus 1 is equals to 0. So x is equals to what we have, what? Just think, we have 2, and for x is equals to what we have, minus 1. Absolutely. So I am going to take x is equals to 2. Why I am not going to take x is equals to minus 1? Because if you write this one as minus 1, if you write this as minus 1, it will become 2 minus 1, and square root of 2 minus 1 will never, it will become absolutely 1, right? So it is equals to 1. So it is not going to possible easily. So we here are going to write 2. Okay, or you can write this or 1 also, fine. Now question number 18, if the mean of the following distribution is 2.6, then y is equals to what we need to find, y. If this is the mean, how you can find it? but remember here answer is 2. Okay, so we are going to mention it is 2 as it is. Now if the mean of the following distribution, so it is given 2.6 for the mean, so we have 1 4 4, I'm going to find xi fi, right, and 2 5 we have 10, and this one will become 3y, and this one will become 4, and this one will become 10. So 4 plus 10 plus 4 plus 10, we have how much? 28 plus 3y divided by, when we add this one as sum of fi. Okay, for sum of fi we are going to add all them. 4 plus 5 we have 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 12, so we have 12 plus y is equals to, we have mean 2.6. so when you multiply this one, 28 plus 3y is equals to 2.6, 12 plus y. Okay, so what we have? 28 plus 3y is equals to 12.6. just go for multiplication, you will have the answer. Okay, now question number 19. Okay, let's complete this sum. So what we have? 2.6 into 12, so 12 into 2.6, what we have? 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7, 4, and we have 2, right? 2 1 1 3, so what we have? 31.2 plus 2.6y. so let's take this for subtraction, this will go that side, it will go that side. 3y minus 2.6y is equals to 31.2 minus 28. so how much we have? If you see 31 minus 28, we have how much? 3, right? so we have 3.2, and 3 minus 2 so we have 0.4y. so y is equals to 3.2 minus 0.4, we have 32 by 4, as 8 is your answer. so your answer is 8. Good. Okay, good. Now question number 19. If the circumference of a circle and its area are numerically equal, the circumference means of a circle 2 pi r is equals to the area of numerically equal, it means pi r square. Find the diameter. Diameter in the sense what they are asking, 2 times r, right? so you see this pi and pi will cancel out, and r and square will be cancelled out, so r will be is equals to 2. so what they are asking? Diameter. so diameter will be equals to 2 times 2 is equals to 4 units. so your answer is 4 units. Good. Yes. Find the curved surface area of a cylinder with diameter 21 centimeter and height 15 centimeter. They are asking curved surface area of what? Cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. so we have 2 into 22 by 7 into, we have diameter. Okay, keep it in mind. so 21 by 2 into what we have? Height 15 centimeter. so 7 3s are 2 2 is cancelled out, and 3 15s are what we have? 45. so 22 times what we have? 45. so 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, so we have 90. so 990 centimeter square is your area. Good. Next question number 21. The probability of selecting a defective trouser from a lot of 200 trousers is 0.045. Find the number of what they are defective trousers in the lot. He said the probability of defective and asking exactly. So how you will write as probability? P is equals to number of defective by total number of pieces. Okay, so what we have? Probability 0.045 is equals to unknown defective by total 200. We'll go that side and become 0.045 into 200 is equals to x. so now I can write this as 45 by 1000 into 200. These 2 zeros are cancelled out. What we have? 2 5s are 5, 9s are, so x is equals to 9. so how many? 9 are defective. Now this question number 22. If P of A naught is 4:5, find P of A. Game. 4 plus 5 is 9, and he is asking P of A, and P of A as we have 4 parts out of 9, so our answer is 4 by 9. That's it. Easy. Next question number 23. After how many places of decimal does the decimal expansion? After how many places, right? You need to just check the denominator's highest power. highest power is 4, so it means it is going to expand after 4 decimal. Very easy. Question number 24. State the distance of the point 20, 21 from the origin. So do you remember, I already explained you in before this standard paper number 1. If they are asking the distance from the origin, just square root them by squaring the given coordinates. So what we have, 400 plus we have 441, so 841. So what is the square root of 841? Just go and check. Easy. Good. So 841, what we have, 8 plus 1 we have 9. So yeah, definitely it is not going to get. So I can write this as square root 841. Okay. Good. Now let's see another video. Thank you, and don't forget to like and share this one. And definitely see, my dear students, the more you share, the more students will get. And yes, definitely I will upload more and more videos as soon as possible. Keep learning.